Racing just is started with a scramble in front position. Bazooka first to show quickness at the start. Running by the release Love with Class. Heran Sangang Daan comes next. Then down on the inside Boss General. And on the outside New Dawn. Running by the rail now is Jamal. Master Kai comes next. Then followed over by Near at Hand. Play the Music comes next. While Wondrous Wind now racing secondless. And as they swing down the back, we have Bazooka by about half length. And on the outside, Love with Glass, Boss General, Master Kai in the middle portion. Jamal is down on the inside fifth. Heran play the music. Then comes Near at Hand, Sangang Daan, Wondrous Wind, while New Dawn now racing in less than at a far turn. We have Bazooka by about 3 lengths, and in second is Boss General. Moving up on the outside, Heran, down on the inside, Jamal, and on the outside, Master Kai, Love with Glass, moving up, Wondrous Wind, and they are now entering the home stretch. A long shot, Bazooka, maintaining a length and a half lead. Moving up now on the outside, Heran, Boss General in the middle, Master Kai, last 100 meters, Bazooka, Heran is on the outside, moves up to take the lead, and finally it's Heran, Bazooka, Boss General, Wondrous Wind, then comes Master Kai, and Jamal for your Super 6.
Heran.
Heran.
Yes. 8-9.